So in the last session, what we saw is how to read image using OpenCV, also how we can convert into a grayscale image, also how we can see what all the channels or the color spaces we have in OpenCV library, and how we can convert our original image to different color spaces, right? So let me show that to you again. So we had selected these many color spaces, but other than that, we have up to 150 color spaces that you can use for various purposes. Also, we saw how we can separate our original image to different color channels like blue, green, and red, and using this code, how we can merge uh, these channels using merge function within OpenCV library, and this will give us original merged image or original colored image, right? Now we'll move to see how we can boost the color spaces. So basically, image will have uh, red, green, and blue color spaces. And what we will do in this session, we'll just enhance the respective color channels like blue, green, and red here in this case. Okay, uh, by just implementing color boost. Okay, so here what we have to do, we'll take the original image in the form of blue, green, and red matrix, right? Or numpy arrays, and then we just append 100 to that each of these green uh, channel arrays, and this will just boost the green color channel, right? And once we run it, it will just show us the green boosted image, right? So it will just enhance the green pixel in this image. Similarly, here in this case, we are boosting the red color image by 100. Okay. And once we execute this, it will enhance this original image uh, to a boosted red color image, where red color image will be enhanced, right? Similarly, here in the third case, we are boosting the blue color image by 100. Okay. And once we run this, it will just enhance this blue color image, right? So blue color channel basically. So that's how we can boost the color images. Okay. You can also take a different color space and split into its own channel like HSB uh, color space, and then split it into H, S, and V channels, and then also boost the hue, saturation, and the value uh, channels to different values. Okay, and you see the result by executing. So for that, we just need cv2.merge, and just we append how much by what value we want to just boost the respective channel. Okay. Now moving on, here you see in the next session we'll start how to draw images. Okay, like shapes and lines and the text uh, on a numpy array. Basically black and white image will take, and on top of that we will try to create a geometrical shape like lines, triangles, rectangles, circles, all these kind of shapes on top of our image. And for that we will need a black image, black and white image, as well as color image. So just keep visiting my channel, and we'll see in the next session about how to draw the images and shape. Okay. So that's all for now in this session. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you feel it's helping you. Thank you. Bye bye.